How to fix battery health on iPhone iOS 17.4. This is an iPhone 13 Pro with iOS 17.4 system. Take out old original battery. Assemble new battery. About how to change original battery flex. Please ask us for another video. Turn on iPhone. Notice, if it can turn on, please connect the charging cable. Turn off iPhone. Turn on again. Now we use 3 utools to fix battery health. Open 3 utools. Connect iPhone to computer with data cable. We can see the battery charge time is 0 and battery health is 100%. Now we back up the phone data. Backup time depends on the size of data. It takes 10 minutes for this iPhone. Click OK when it finished. Download iOS 17.4 firmware after backup complete. Be patient because it takes time to download firmware. Must select anti-recovery flash mode, or it will fail recovery if select retain user's data. Must select fix battery health during flash. Then click flash button. Waiting for flashing. iPhone will reboot after around 10 minutes. iPhone will reset after flash. So please remember backup data before. You can see the battery health becomes 100% after iPhone setting complete. The flash is still ongoing. Be patient to wait around 30 to 15 minutes. Flash complete. Click toolbox greater than backup / restore greater than view all data backups. Backup data is faster if open airplane mode. Click next button. If you need to recover the user's data in apps, you need to log in Apple ID first. Select the apps you want to recovery. Then click Start Recovery. Recovery time depends on the size of data. It takes around 11 minutes for this iPhone. iPhone will reboot again after recovery complete. Then you enter iPhone system step by step. You can see the battery health is 100% and the system is iOS 17.4.